OnePlus 8 series, the next flagship from OnePlus, is expected to launch next month. The Chinese smartphone maker is expected to introduce OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and 8 Lite in April. While there have been a number of leaks, a new leak gives us our best look yet at the flagship device. Ahead of the launch next month, a new set of live images of OnePlus 8 Pro have appeared online. These leaked images shows both the front as well as rear of the OnePlus 8 Pro before the launch next month. The image shared by PC Tablet is consistent with all the previous leaks of the device. This leaked image shows the back of the OnePlus 8 Pro won't be much different from the OnePlus 7T Pro. However, the front of the device is said to be much different. The front shows that there is a chin at the bottom of the device. However, the top and side bezel seems to be trimmed further by the company. The OnePlus 8 Pro is expected to come with 120Hz AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution. The display, as the leaked images and renders shows, will have a punch hole in it. In terms of camera, the OnePlus 8 Pro is expected to come with a quad camera setup at the rear comprising of 64MP primary camera, 20MP ultra-wide camera, 12MP telephoto camera and a 3D time-of-flight sensor. There is however no information regarding the front-facing camera. The leaks and rumors so far shows that the OnePlus 8 Pro will pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. The device could be offered with up to 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Although the battery capacity of the OnePlus 8 Pro is still unknown, its charging speed is expected to be above 50 watts. Also, the OnePlus 8 Pro has now made an appearance on the AI benchmark platform. According to the listing, the headset will launch with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 as mentioned earlier. The device will be launched with 12GB of RAM configuration. As for the benchmark score, the device has logged 33,480 points on the AI test and holds the 22nd position on the database. The ones that score better than OnePlus 8 Pro are the Samsung Galaxy S20, Oppo Find X2 and the Xiaomi Mi 10. The efficiency of the headset is yet to be tested in real life scenario, so we can't comment on its performance based on the listing. So guys, what do you think about the OnePlus 8 Pro? Will it be worth your money? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.